hello everyone. In this session, we'll learn that how do we register for our exam for IELTS. Okay, we'll learn all the registration steps which we'll have to make. So first of all, you'll have to get on this official website of IDP. Afterwards, you'll have to start registering for it. From here, you'll have to click on the test mode of yours, whether it's going to be computer based or paper based. And UKVI is for any kind of UK university. If you're sure that you will be applying to, then you'll have to click on CBT UKVI or PBT UKVI. And yes, so right now we are clicking on IELTS computer and then click on the test format of your, is it going to be academic or general? So let's click on academic. After that, select your city and check availability. After which we will be having the interface like this, and which the numbers, the dates are who are on green are the dates which are available. So just check according to you, whichever date suits you. So I'm clicking on 18th. After that, I can see there are 2 time slots available for 18th. If whichever time slot suit me, I'll click onto that from 9 to 12 or 1 to 4. So I'm clicking on 9 to 12. Then click on book now. So yes, now we have got onto the registration steps which we'll have to follow and fill out. So yes, I've got here written as test date, which is to be 18th, the timing slots which is to be from 9 to 12, and the city is going to be Bhopal and module is going to be academic. So yes, first there are the IELTS registration steps are under the 5 modes. The first one is going to be for personal details. So let's just fill your personal detail first. Fill your first name, afterwards your last name, and then your email ID. Afterwards, click on the mobile and enter your mobile number. Okay. As IDP will be contacting you mostly through your email IDs only, but yes, in case you will have to enter the mobile number as well. They will send, it is going to be the one-way communication. They will send some confirmation on your mobile number as well. And then after, click on and enter your passport number. And then click on the validity and enter the validity of your passport. Then after, click on the DOB of yours. And if you have got any disability, you have to click on yes, otherwise keep it as no. And then after, click on I confirm and proceed. After which you have got on the second registration step of yours, which is about the passport details and the rest of the things you'll have to fill in. Let's just put our email ID once again. After which I'll confirm the mobile number as well. Later to that, put your address in, and then after, click on the city. Then click on your nationality. Now, this first language, I've seen so many students getting confused in this. So you'll have to click on the mother tongue of yours. Whichever language is your mother tongue, you'll have to click on that language. And then after, you will have to click on your occupation. Just fill in whichever occupation you have. And then after, click on the designation. And then why are you taking this test? So if it is for academic, then definitely you'll have to click on the educational course. But then if you are there for more than extended course, like more than 3 months, then click on the first one. So yes, after clicking on your education, why are you taking the test, the reason of yours, also you'll have to click on the country you're applying to or intending to go. Okay, so in this case, if you want to apply to multiple universities or countries, then definitely don't worry or don't get scared that you'll apply for a specific country over here. Let's suppose I'm applying for Australia, then it's not going to be like that you can't apply to other universities or other countries. You can definitely apply to other countries as well. So this is a kind of a leverage you get even after applying here for a specific country. So don't worry. So I'm clicking for Australia. And why are you currently studying English? So this is optional thing, so I'm skipping it. And where are you currently? So I'm skipping it. So what kind of education you have completed? So I'm clicking on postgraduate. And how many years have you been studying English? I'm clicking on 9 plus more. Click on more. After which you now have to upload your documents. Okay, your passport first page copy and the last one. These are somewhat scanned copies they need, and the size should be up to 1 MB. And then after, for now, I'm skipping this. Now the next step is your review part, wherein you can still, this IDP gives you still the chance to review all the details of yours. This is very essential, the details of yours, so nothing should be wrong in this. So you can just recheck everything once again. If you want to make changes, you can click on edit details. Otherwise, the next step is to proceed to pay. So we will be clicking onto this, and we'll reach towards the last part, which is the payment part. Okay, here I've got my time, the test date, the test city, type, registration number, the payment reference number, and test fee is 18,000 rupees. So I can pay through UPI, net banking, or debit card or credit card. So now you can get the guidance through us while submitting your registration. You can contact Niharika ma'am regarding this. You must all be having her number. So you can just contact her. She'll be guiding you throughout the process. And also, you can get 450 off on your application fee, which is 18,000 here. Okay, so this was the thing I had to discuss with you all. And now you can just click on the suitable payment detail of yours. If you want to make the payment through UPI, you can click on UPI or net banking or debit card, credit card, and pay now. So you'll get the receipt on your email ID after that. So yes guys, that was all about the steps which you'll have to make. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.